Hello guys, let me quickly show you today how to use your handwriting to write. Normal, how to use your handwriting to write. Please welcome back to my channel. It's quite a long time. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button. Oh yeah, now we can start. Okay, first of all, make sure you know how to change your keyboard. I want to make this video very short, at most 2 minutes. Yeah, that is it. Okay, let me use my WhatsApp. Not really your WhatsApp anywhere, you can enter Google anywhere, but I'm using here. Okay, all you need to do is just to change your your keyboard. If you don't know how to change your keyboard, I dropped a video on my former video, the former video I did on how to um use the naira, but yes, I showed you guys how to change, how to add keyboard. So all you need to do here is just to add just to go to handwriting. Yeah, that's all you need to do. Go to handwriting, then you cannot tell like how um that is that is all for today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless you. Please follow me up. Thanks. Please, I beg you. Then God bless you. I'll see you next time.